This is a quick walkthrough of my herbal garden. So this is the sage. It's awesome with pastas. And here are the chives. Chives is really good with your salads. And then you have the sweet pepper and the peppermint. They grow like a lot. I keep making chutneys and give it to my friends. So these are the parsleys. These are great with chutneys and your salmon. And then you have the curd parsleys. This is an amazing plant to grow. It looks really good. And it is perfect with your salads and your salmons and so on. So this is rosemary. I'm just growing it for the sake of growing it to see a new plant in there. And we have the corianders. So I make coriander. uh, I let them dry and then take out that coriander, and the next year I again plant them and I get new plants from here. And this is chamomile, and chamomile we use the flowers for the teas. And this is my small herbal garden here.